Hey, Shibboleth friend, there's no doubt about it. You've got a lot going on. Life is going to try to get in the way, but you've got goals. There's a lot of things going on in your life that you have no control over. I know, same thing happening to me, but it's all good. We know that God orders our steps and that all things work to the good of those that love the Lord. So I'm here to remind myself and remind you to keep working on those things that no one can take away from you. Those things that are within your control and your control only, your character, your personality, your kindness, and of course, your health. This can be an amazing week for you if you just get focused. If you'll get up, give the first part of your day to Jesus. Let this mind be in you that was also in Christ Jesus. Look, that is all you. Can't no one take those things away from you. So stay focused, get laser lock focused on those goals and get fired up like you could whip a bear with a switch. All right, we'll see you in class today.